Samsung has finally started rolling out its long-awaited One UI 7 update, but in a twist that no one saw coming, the rollout has begun earlier than expected for several Galaxy devices. After months of delays, user frustration, and an unexpected pause in the update schedule, it looks like the company is finally trying to make things right. But let's dive into what's really going on. For those who have been following the One UI 7 saga, you already know this update hasn't had the smoothest journey. Samsung originally aimed to push One UI 7 to its newest devices at the beginning of April 2025, with other models set to follow in May and June. But a critical bug, missed during beta testing, forced the South Korean tech giant to temporarily halt the rollout. That only added to the growing doubts among users, many of whom were already questioning whether Samsung could stick to its word this time. Now, there's a glimmer of hope. As of today, Samsung has kicked off the One UI 7 rollout, starting with several flagship models. The update is currently available in South Korea and includes the Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy S24 FE, Galaxy Tab S10 series, and Galaxy Tab S9 series. While this rollout is limited to South Korea for now, Samsung is expected to expand it to other regions in the coming days. This latest update weighs in at around 5 gigabytes and also brings with it the April 2025 security patch, adding another layer of protection to these high-end devices. So what exactly does this mean for Samsung users globally? It's a signal that after all the uncertainty, the company is finally getting serious about catching up on its One UI 7 commitments. Samsung's revised rollout schedule, which was recently released, lays out exactly which devices are in line to receive the update and when. According to this new timeline, the following Galaxy devices are slated for the April 2025 window: the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra, Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra, Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra, Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra, Galaxy S24 FE, S23 FE, and S21 FE, and the latest in older foldables including Galaxy Z Flip 6, Flip 5, Flip 4, Flip 3, and Galaxy Z Fold 6, Fold 5, Fold 4, and Fold 3. And it's not just the phones getting some love. Samsung's premium tablets are also part of this rollout. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra and Tab S10 Plus, as well as the entire Tab S9 family, including the Tab S9, Tab S9 Plus, and Tab S9 Ultra, are all included in the April batch. Looking ahead to May 2025, the update is set to hit a more diverse range of devices. That includes the Galaxy Tab S8 series, Tab S8, S8 Plus, and S8 Ultra, as well as mid-range and budget-friendly phones like the Galaxy A55, A54, A53, A35, A34, A33, M34, M33, and even entry-level models like the Galaxy A25, A16, A15, and A14. Samsung isn't forgetting its affordable tablets either, with the Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, Tab S9 FE, Tab A9 Plus, Tab A9, and even rugged models like the Galaxy Tab Active 5 and Galaxy Xcover Pro, all on the list. Even the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2024 edition is expected to get One UI 7 in May. It's a long list, and if Samsung can actually pull it off, it'll be one of the largest and fastest software rollouts the company has ever done. However, the road so far has made fans cautious. With the initial rollout paused due to a bug, trust has taken a hit. Even now, users around the world are watching and waiting to see if Samsung can deliver across all promised devices without further setbacks. So what can users expect from One UI 7 once it lands on their device? While Samsung hasn't detailed every feature in this particular rollout phase, users should expect a smoother interface, better performance, updated widgets, refined animations, and improved customization options. Along with the latest Android 15 enhancements, One UI 7 also includes tighter privacy controls and deeper integration with Galaxy AI features, especially for the S24 and S23 series. To sum it up, Samsung may have started this update journey on a rocky path, but the company seems to be picking up speed now. With today's rollout in South Korea, Samsung is sending a clear message that One UI 7 is finally shifting into high gear. If all goes according to plan, many Galaxy users around the world will soon be running the latest and greatest version of One UI, complete with security improvements and feature upgrades. Let's just hope Samsung keeps the momentum going and doesn't let another unexpected delay derail what could finally be a major win for Galaxy fans.